Hey guys, my name's Doug with Infotainment.com and Infotainment.ca. I'm the CEO and founder of the company. Today we're doing a live product showcase. We're going to show you guys all the different products that we carry, including some of our new products. A little bit about us. We do factory parts for automobiles, specifically your domestic vehicles, which include Ram, Jeep, Dodge, the GM vehicles, Ford vehicles, and then now we do Toyota, Nissan, and Mazda. So we do all factory OEM parts. We also make it easy to install. All of our parts and products can be installed in the comfort of your own home or your garage. Do it yourself. No wire cutting or splicing. If it requires wire cutting, we'll develop a harness so everything is 100% plug and play. On top of that, everything is pre-programmed. So you don't need to go to your local dealer. You won't need to go anywhere. You'll have the product delivered right to your house, pre-programmed for a plug and play installation. It comes with a full warranty as well. So all of our parts carry a warranty, 90-day warranty, 30-day money back. We have an awesome tech support team here at Infotainment.com. If you have any questions along the way, we have a team of people to help you and guide you through that install process or troubleshooting. We are located here in the USA, specifically Northeast Orlando in a small town called Oviedo, Florida. We also have a distribution center in Dallas, a wholesale sales office in Jacksonville, and as I mentioned, Infotainment.ca, our newest venture located in Toronto, Canada. We do also have a compatibility guarantee, kind of goes hand in hand with the whole DIY and pre-programming feature where you give us your VIN number of your vehicle. We'll make sure that if you ordered something, we'll make sure that it'll fit before we ship it out. So that's part of our compatibility guarantee. Several different ways you can reach out to us or find more information on us. Obviously, our website, Infotainment.com in the USA, Infotainment.ca for Canada. We also do, we have a great YouTube channel. We have DIY videos that show you how to install most of our products. And then we do also spotlights, product spotlights, give you a little bit more information on the parts that we carry. We also have an Instagram account. Be sure to check that out. Twitter, Facebook. Our Facebook, we update daily, so keep an eye on that. We also have a website blog. So go on to our website. Check out our blog. We do update that frequently as well. And last but not least, we have a podcast. So sometimes we'll talk about infotainment related stuff. Sometimes we just talk about automobiles in general. So be sure to check out our Infotainment.com podcast. So today I'm going to talk to you guys a little bit about all the different parts and upgrades that we carry. All right, guys, we're back. So we talked about Ram earlier. Now we're going to talk about Ford for a little bit. So exciting upgrades with Ford. We've carried Ford upgrades since 2007, even earlier than that for the model years, 2007 and up. So basically what I want to talk about today, starting with Ford, is our Sync 3 upgrade. So our Sync 3 here is an awesome upgrade for those of you who have the small 4-inch display in your Ford. We're talking most of the vehicles 2015 and up. You will notice your base model Fords, you'll have a small little 4-inch display. You can upgrade that to the 8-inch display, Sync 3 system with built-in Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Awesome upgrade. You retain all your factory fit and finishes and features, plug and play wiring, and we'll also include a replacement bezel. So if you have the F-150 or the Explorer, the Edge, doesn't matter, we carry it all. So in excess of going from the 4-inch to the 8-inch, you can also go from My Ford Touch to Sync 3. Now, what's great about that is you're going to take a big boost in technology going from Sync 2 to Sync 3. When it comes to the Sync 3, you have the choice between one with embedded GPS navigation or one without. You can save a little bit of money if you do the one without, and you can utilize maybe some CarPlay GPS features, whether it's your Google or your Waze or whatnot. using Sync 3. Some of you already have Sync 3, but you don't have GPS navigation. That is an option as well. Contact us. We carry all the advertisements on our website for your vehicle to go from a non-nav system to a nav. Very easy plug and play upgrade at Infotainment.com. Some other cool popular upgrades similar to the RAM, which I was talking about earlier, is our plug and play speedometer clusters. Now, we pre-program those, not only the mileage, but we pre-program all your existing features in the vehicle to work plug and play with that cluster. Now, I'm not just talking about your F-150 and your Super Duty, but our Mustang cluster is one of our most popular upgrades, that full digital screen cluster for the Mustangs, 2015 and up. Awesome upgrade. Looks very, very cool at night. Looks very cool during the day. As I mentioned with RAM, you're going to upgrade your technology considerably if you replace your cluster and you replace your infotainment system. It makes a heck of a difference. So that's for the full-size trucks and for the Mustang, the digital cluster, that is. A few other little things. We've been carrying backup camera kits for the Fords back until 2009. Plug and play backup camera kits using factory handles. We only use factory handles, and you route the wiring to your touchscreen display. And again, use your OBD Genie tool to activate it. That's all included, plug and play. We've sold thousands of Ford cameras, excellent results. Not just any camera. You can go on Amazon and eBay and buy any camera. We've tested them all. We put them through the ringer. We're only going to sell OEM quality parts at Infotainment.com. Something we released here just recently is the trailer brake controller. So this is very, very effective and awesome upgrade for your full-size trucks, F-150 and Super Duty. You can go ahead and add this. Very easy to add. Gives you full capability of electronic trailer brake control, your electronic brakes on your trailer. Again, just like most of our upgrades, you will receive an OBD Genie programming device. You don't need to go to the dealer to have it activated. We can give you a programmer so you can activate it at home. We do so much more for Ford. I wanted to throw a quick little plug in for our catskin leather. We do use OEM quality leather here at Infotainment.com. We do have how-to and installation videos on how to install it. So maybe you're pretty savvy at stuff like that. Maybe you have a friend or a relative that's savvy with that. Follow our video step by step. You can put leather in your vehicle. This is OEM quality leather. This isn't cheap leather. This is what Ford and Ram and GM uses as a qualified leather upgrade once it's rolled off the factory floor. So come check us out on our website. We'll be able to give you some more information on that and give you some color options, right? So it's not just black and gray. You can kind of customize it in several different ways as well. Some upgrades that we have coming out here real soon for Ford. We actually just released it just a few months ago, the 10-inch upgrade for the Ford Explorer. So those of you who ordered the brand new body Ford Explorer 2020 and up, you may have noticed you have an 8-inch Sync 3 display. We figured out how to go from the 8-inch landscape to the 10-inch portrait so you can upgrade your Ford Explorer. Now, Ford Explorer is one of the first vehicles in the Ford product line to start using a bigger screen. You guys are going to notice with the Bronco and the F-150, the Mustangs, Mach-E, stuff like that, you're going to realize they're all the touchscreens are going to start getting bigger and bigger. Expedition has a real big one coming. The Ford Edge, they all use bigger and bigger touchscreens. So stay tuned to Infotainment.com. That's all going to be stuff that we're going to be working on in 2021, going from the smaller 8-inch, crazy to say that, smaller 8-inch screen to either a 10, a 12, and maybe even 15-inch in some cases with some of the Ford vehicles. The other cool upgrade we have coming out here real soon, we're just finishing up on harnessing, is the Ford Pass kit. So those of you who want to add Ford Pass to your Ford that didn't come factory with it, you will be able to add Ford Pass. So you have the capability to start your Ford from your smartphone. You can unlock the doors, stuff like that. It's going to be an awesome upgrade. Ford did come up with an aftermarket kit, Ford Pass. They actually discontinued it. Thousands and thousands of customers are now without it, and they want it back. So we figured it out. That's going to be something that's coming out in 2021 as well. A couple other things: the Ford trucks, the LED headlights and taillights. Those are upgrades that are coming out in 2021. We're a little bit late with the earlier model Fords, the 2015 and up F-150, 2017 and up Super Duty, but it's better late than never. We're going to have plug and play Ford LED headlights and taillights. You got to love the Ford headlights with the signature lighting on the front. Everyone loves it. It's amazing. And we're going to carry that in early 2021. Again, like our Ram, we carry a lot more than what I just showed back here. It's just a quick little video, some highlights of some of our Ford stuff. So be sure to go to Infotainment.com to check out all the different things that we offer for Ford. And we're constantly adding new and more product. So keep an eye out for that.